Hey guys, this is my final Disney Blu-ray unboxing for for the ones I've been doing. Alice in Wonderland here. I've probably seen this uh, at some point back in my childhood. I don't remember it. I may not have, but it looks awesome with all these little characters. This looks like there's a bunch of chaos going on, a bunch of shenanigans. I mean, look at this little rabbit with a clock, and you have like a centipede over here, and the Mad Hatter. That's crazy. But yeah, Alice in Wonderland 60th Anniversary Edition. 2-disc combo pack. Disc 1, Blu-ray feature film plus bonus. Exclusive to Blu-ray disc, Through the Keyhole, A Companion's Guide to Wonderland, Painting the Roses Red interactive game, Disney View enhanced viewing experience, Walt Disney Color TV introduction, 1959, reference footage, Alice and the Doorknob. Pencil test, Alice Shrinks, reflections on Alice featurette, Operation Wonderland, now in high def, and much more. Disc 2 DVD feature film plus bonus. Deleted scene, Pig and Pepper, reflections on Alice featurette, Virtual Wonderland Party interactive game. This was a 2011 Blu-ray release, rated G, region free Blu-ray, region 1 DVD. Runtime is approximately 75 minutes. Alright, let's open it up for you guys. I got this on eBay for about 19. I always try to get it. I try to buy them new, and I try to get them for as cheap as I can, wherever that may be. Maybe sure. It's Disney Movie Awards. There's a Blu-ray, the movie, and the DVD. There you have it, guys, my unboxing of Alice in Wonderland Blu-ray. Let me put the slipcover back on. Thank you guys for checking this out. I really appreciate it. Everyone take care. Alright, see you guys later.